Hello everyone, kuzu changpo and welcome to Kelchin's mini kitchen. Tenung gine show jita broccoli hangtin chotpa mo ikpina. Wash your broccoli very nicely and then cut it like this. And this is the local butter. Direct koga pintani tunga piliga gilana adam butter local butter pure me. Nige incha yafa katke nigila chili powder. 8 little bits of chili powder. Put on the gas stove. And then just close the lid ni 1 minute ka jab kai ni zimo ni low flame ga chota ni rishona me ni ge just mix a little ni incha pinta ni add some salt, no onion, no tomato. This is how I prepare for my kids, and it is very simple and delicious, plus it is very healthy. Thank you for watching, and this is how I have packed for my 2 sons for their lunch. Don't forget to subscribe.